My van is horrible, y'all. I shouldn't even be showing y'all this. This should be an embarrassment. But I'm just real like that. So look at this. Girl. So today I had a rough week. Okay, as you can see, my van is trashed. Okay. This is my world. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm having a light day today, all my workers, they clocked in, thank God. I'm going to spend today working on my house and my van. Look at this. Kid crumbs. I got baby shoes and just, I got to get this together. I can't live like this. You know, I just can't. I can't function whenever it's like this, right? So, and then I'm gonna take my van. I'm gonna take it up there, and I'm just gonna drop it off and let them do the seats and clean the whole thing out. But this, look at this. Oh gosh. Oh my God. We got pillows from when my kids come in here. It's ridiculous, right? Okay. So I want y'all to witness my world. I'm about to go upstairs and ask my lazy teenagers to please come out here and help me take everything out of the van so that I can take the van up the street and get it detailed clean. Okay, since I'm having a light day today, I got time today. So let's go see what I want y'all to see and witness what I have to go through in my world. So sick of that van looking like that. We're gonna clean it today. We're gonna take care of it today. All right, Kayla. Okay, so I'm gonna go take the car and get it clean today. So I was thinking, you know, you guys come down there and help me take everything out of the van because it's disgusting. That van is awful. So I need you and Kiara to get up and help me take everything out of the van. Huh?
My foot hurts.
Your foot hurt? What's wrong with your foot?
My ankle, I don't know, it's hurting bad.
Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna get Kiara up.
Crap, what the?
Let's go check on teenager number 2. Look at this. See? Crumbs on that. That's all they do is F up everything I work hard for. That's all they do. Kiara. Kiara. All right, so today I'm having a light day and I need to get everything out of the van so that I can drop it off and get it cleaned out. The only problem is I really don't be having a lot of time on my hands, so I need some help. I need you and your sister to help me take everything out the van.
You said you had a light day.
Yeah, I have a light day, so what do you want me to do, the whole thing myself?
No, if you had a light day, I expect you to do something with the kids.
You expect me to what?
Do something with the kids or something.
Do something with the kids? Well,
Yeah,
I have to have...
I took them to the pool, I took them to the gym yesterday. It was just bad. I never take them to the gym again. It's never.
Right. I never spend time cleaning out the van. The van has been...
You've been bad.
Really, really bad lately. And I have to do this today. Because I'm always busy. Okay? And the van is going to shits. It looks horrible. The house looks horrible. So I need some help. That's all I'm saying.
After you get your help, and you do something with the kids.
Get up
I
and
need time to go to the gym, man. This is just
The house looks
They
like
mess
shit.
up every night.
The house looks like
Jesus,
shit.
tell them big behind kids to stop messing up, because I cleaned up the house. You see me clean up the house yesterday. Yes, tired of this stuff. Everybody else is, oh, the house dirty. Oh, take care of the kids. Oh, the house dirty. Oh, take care of the kids. Oh, that's all I do.
Get up and help.
That's what I like.
Get up and help me take the stuff out of the car. I'm not arguing with the 16-year-old.
I can help you take the stuff out of the car. I can let stuff in the grass.
See what I gotta go through? See what I gotta go through? House looks like shit. Car looks like shit. I own a cleaning company. Whew. What are you doing?
Ever you take the stuff out of the car?
You helping me? Oh, I got one helper, y'all. He said I'm helping you take this stuff out the car. Oh, look. I got one helper, you guys. That's right. You got to train them when they're young, honey. Start when they're young. Start when they're young. My baby said I'm helping you take the stuff out the car. Oh, man. It's so hard. You have to train these kids early. All right, son. You can start with taking this. And then we're going to take everything and we're going to put it on the steps. Okay?
Yeah, I'm too strong.
You are strong. So we're going to take everything out. And then we're going to put everything on the steps. And they're going to take it up. And then I'm going to take the van and we're going to drop it off.
You put that?
Yeah. We're going to drop the van off to get it clean today. Okay? Look at my boy. See, my 21-year-old would not come out here and help me at all. My oldest son, my first child, he is the laziest thing, girl. So I have to work on my little boy. Look at him. Helping mama. There go my other one. They be happy to get out the house and help. Come on, Deja. You take stuff out the car. Is anybody else kids just as lazy as mine? I'm never home. I really spend more time at my office than I do at my house. So my house be going downhill. I'm not like embarrassed to show anybody anything.
Me too can help you.
Because I know I can't possibly be the only goddamn one.
It's too close.
Yes, honey. Move on out the way. Okay, Deja, so what we doing? We're going to take some of this stuff out.
Clean all your clothes, your van out.
Yes. Y'all going to help me?
You talking about your car or your van?
Yeah, I want to, well, this is...
Well, you gotta drop those two masks off.
Yes. So what we're doing is we're going to take everything out and we're going to sit it on the steps, okay? And Kayla and Kiara, whenever they get their little stink selves up, they can get the stuff off the steps.
KK's not here. Her car's not here.
Yeah, KK's in there. They're laying down. They haven't got up yet. Okay?
Where's the car?
You guys ready? Help me?
Yeah, where's the car?
Oh, no. Where is our car?
Her gone.
Uh-oh. Oh, Fat got it. All right, y'all ready?
Gotcha.
Let's get it. Okay. We are getting somewhere. This is before. Y'all stay tuned for after. All right, guys. I am here at the car wash. It's always exciting to get this car washed. Look at this crap. Oh! It's a disaster, y'all. This is the life of a single mom, 5 kids. I don't have time to clean this vehicle. I be ripping and running all the time. Hold on. Here she comes. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing just fine. I need to get the you guys pull the seats out when you vacuum and stuff?
They don't actually take them out of the vehicle.
Oh, okay.
Not that I'm aware of it. Not on our front line. And
All right.
just you're probably gonna want to, based on what you're saying about wanting out front of the seats. With our express interior clean, they take the air hose and they blow out from under your seats.
Okay.
They blow your dash. They blow all the patches.
Okay, cool. That's what
Get
I
all the
need.
dust, crumbs, all that stuff.
I need a full deep clean on this vehicle, like the seats and everything.
Okay, so you're probably wanting our complete detail.
Yeah.
It's 110.
Okay.
Now, actually, yours will be 130.
Okay.
It will. Are you needing the carpet shampoo as well?
I need everything.
Okay, so it's gonna be extra because it includes your carpet, but it doesn't include your seats. So I'd have to charge you extra for the seats.
Okay.
Now, how many rows of seats?
I have. It's a 3-seater.
3 rows.
Yeah.
All right, so that would be.
Working at the car wash. Look, y'all. See how much I gotta pay to get this vehicle detailed. She tried to wax me. Talking about $175. I don't never pay $175, boo. I always pay $130 to get the seats and everything. Y'all gotta watch out for people, cause baby, they will try to get you. I pay the $130 all the time. Like, ugh. Don't try to wax me. Yeah, baby, we getting you clean today. I'm letting y'all take a little sneak peek. But it took us almost an hour to take all the stuff out of this car. Me waiting for those teenagers took us a while. They're gonna be working on the vehicle. I can't wait to see how it looks afterwards. Okay, guys, so my vehicle is getting detailed before and after. Oh my God, I'm so excited right now. Look at my van, you guys. Girl, they did a good job on these seats. They usually don't get it that clean. It looks like a whole new vehicle right about now, y'all. My seats is a little damp. But you see how they did my seats right here? Woo! Yes, mama got a brand new van. Okay. Finally got my baby clean again. Oh, it feels so good. Yes, honey. Yes. Check out the back. Woo! This sure look a lot better. Okay, now it's time to put my magnets on.